Merry Christmas, everyone. Today we're going to learn Jingle Bells on the recorder. If you like my videos, click subscribe. Jingle Bells uses only a few notes and they're all in the higher register of the recorder, so you really only have to use your left hand. The first note that we're going to start with is B. The next note is A, G, then we have D with your thumb off of the back, and C. If you want to see these fingerings, just click the website at the bottom of the video, and it will show you the fingerings as well as sheet music to play along with. So let's get started. So the first note is B. We're going to play B 6 times in all. Then we're going to go from B to D. Then G, A, B. So again, that's just like this. Next, we're going to go to C and play it 5 times. And after we do that, we just start that process over again. And this song has something, if you look at the sheet music, called a second ending and a first ending. And that means that you play through the music when it has the 1 at the top, and that's the first ending. So you play through there, then you go back to the beginning. Second time through, when you get to the first ending, you're going to skip that and go straight to the second ending. It's just a way to shorten up the music and make it not take up so much space on the page. So once again, here's Jingle Bells. Thank you, and check out the website for the sheet music and fingerings. If you like the video, click subscribe.